HBAR and XLM both stand out in a particular way, and we're going to break down exactly what we're talking about in this video. When it comes to adoption, specifically institutional adoption and their applications, they are right at the top, and we're going to break down exactly why that is in this video, guys. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe down below. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Do you prefer HBAR or XLM? You may own both, but if you had to lean, HBAR or XLM, which one? Let me know in the comments section below. Curious to hear your guys' thoughts on that. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video. We're going to get into a great article done by a fellow content creator of mine, and I wanted to react to it a little bit in this video as well, and give you guys my thoughts. Now, before we get into the whole HBAR XLM discussion, I do want to tell you a little bit about our inner circle that we just launched, guys. If you're ready to dominate the cryptocurrency market for less than $1 a day, you could become an inner circle member right now. And you're going to receive tons of benefits. You're going to get full portfolio access of mine. You'll know the individual cryptos that I own, the sectors they're in. You're going to get my buy and sell alerts. You're going to get AI crypto generated picks, hot picks every single week based on our own customized algorithms and prime value crypto picks. All of this, plus an investing community. I'll be sharing some of my short-term trades with you. I've got a whole team of individuals working in the back channels. I'm going to be relaying all that information for you. And you've got three options. The monthly's $27 a month, less than $1 a day. Quarterly, $77, way less than $1 a day. And yearly, if you just want to jump right in, less than $300 for the year only right now. We're just launching this, not even a week old. Come on in, join us in our private community. There's a link at the top of the description you'll find where you can join right now on the inner circle. So let's get into the top storyline, though, and talk a little bit about what's going on with HBAR and Stellar XLM. All right, let me put myself right there. And of course, a lot of this conversation needs and will focus on RWA tokenization. And you guys know how I feel about this. This, to me, is where the big institutions are coming in next. And it says, among the networks positioning themselves as leaders in the RWA space, you got HBAR and XLM. And they're focusing in on institutional adoption first and foremost and financial application. Both networks have unique strengths, but also face distinct challenges when it comes to the tokenization of RWAs. Hedera is designed for enterprise-grade adoption, offering technical advantages that directly benefit tokenization efforts. And their consensus mechanism provides super fast finality with predictable low fees, which is going to be big for the institutional adoption of tokenization. You could see some of the names that are attaching themselves to the Hedera Foundation. Google, LG, IBM, Dell, Chainlink Labs, among some other heavy hitters. And a major advantage for Hedera is its Hedera Token Service, or HTS. This allows developers and enterprises to create and manage tokens natively without having smart contracts, which anytime you develop a smart contract, you're increasing your risk. This reduces the risks and complexities. It's particularly appealing for tokenized financial instruments where compliance and security must meet strict regulatory requirements. So Hedera is integrated with major players, including Arcax and Aberdeen Investments as well. These partnerships show strong institutional confidence in Hedera's infrastructure for RWAs. And another strength is its sustainability narrative. It's a carbon negative network as well. Now, on the flip side, you've looked at Stellar XLM. Their strength is in payments. And Stellar has a different approach to tokenization with its roots in cross-border payments and stablecoin issuance. Now, the foundation over at Stellar has built a strong ecosystem supporting stablecoins like Circle's USDC, EURC, and PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin, which has been launched on the XLM network. So definitely an attractive option for any institution that wants to tokenize a fiat-backed asset or improve remittance infrastructure. And one of the strongest institutional partnerships it has is with Franklin Templeton, which launched its money fund on the Stellar blockchain. So Stellar RWA league table, take a look at this. Some of the big players here, Franklin Templeton, Circle, Wisdom Tree, Ondo Finance is down here. Stellar also benefits from its accessibility in emerging markets as well. Big partnerships with MoneyGram and ClickPesa, demonstrating real-world usage of tokenized assets and digital money for everyday life. Now, Hedera is technically powerful. Stellar could face some limitations in scalability compared to Hedera. All in all, you know, we've got a lot of big players jockeying for position. You still have Ethereum here. You still have XRP, of course. You've got Ondo Finance in the mix. A lot of big players here. Algorand, VeChain, a few others that I like. But Stellar's focus on payments and stablecoins could mean it's less prepared than Hedera for tokenizing more sophisticated financial instruments. Both Hedera and Stellar, though, I think are both going to play a key role as this article lays out. And I think there's going to be a lot of big winners in the RWA space. And then I show this list quite a bit. XRP should be up here alongside some of these other big players like Chainlink, Avalanche, Stellar, Hedera, Ondo, Algorand, VeChain. This is my list right here. Put XRP at the top, and I invest in all of these right now. XRP, Link, AVAX, XLM, HBAR, Ondo, Algorand, VeChain. I own all of them. And there's some other big players further down the list as well. We're going to continue to be all over this RWA space, guys. And if you want to know more and more about the moves I'm making, some things that I'm doing on a daily basis, again, become an Inner Circle member right now. We do have a 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll be issued a complete refund within the first 30 days, no questions asked. But I'm confident you're going to want to get in here and stay in here because we're going to just flood you with tons of value. So get into the Inner Circle right now while you still can. Appreciate you all for watching. Find that link at the top of the description. I'll pin it as the top comment. And again, let me know, which RWA protocol do you prefer, specifically HBAR or XLM? They both have their benefits. That's why I'm going after both of them. And I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.